Nobody gave me any work, and the realities of the show. The reality is not of the singing.
Today on Lehre, I have with me a very special guest who has created a revolution in the Indian music industry. He has been a part of the industry for, I guess, more than 3 decades and has made our childhood very special. I'm talking about music composer Leslie Lewis. Sir, thank you for connecting with me today.
I'm so happy. Thank you for having me on Lehre. It actually feels like Lehre has been part of my life for so many years, and I'm with you guys, and it feels fantastic. Thank you.
So, you started your career in 1987, and Lehre has seen your career throughout. But how
Absolutely.
do you see your journey?
Well, my journey has so far been divided into four parts, and now the fifth part is starting. So I call it like the four avatars of my life. So my first avatar was as a guitar player, as a professional guitar player in the studios. I used to play for R.D. Burman, Lakshmikant Perla, play for different composers. As I was a sessions musician, so as a guitar player. Then so I used to get no work, and then by the time I started getting work, I've done all with the best people in the business. Then I left that and I started my second avatar, which is as a jingle composer. And nobody gave me any work, and they said, "Nahi, he's a very good guitarist, you know. I don't think he can compose. He's a guitarist. So if you have a jingle, you should call him to play guitar, but I don't think he can compose." So then from getting no jingles to I've done practically all the primetime commercials in this country. The mango fruity, fresh and juicy. All those you do be your glass full. So there's so many jingles I've done for so many brands. From nothing to the top of that space. The second of that, jingle composer. The third one is a pop music producer. So then I was feeling कि अरे 15 सेकंड 30 सेकंड में song खत्म होता है. I want to make it more like a song. So let me try and do some new songs. And they said, "No, I don't think you can record. He's not a song composer. He's a very good jingle composer." So 15 seconds, 30 seconds, you call him. I don't think he can do a song. I don't. So finally, from not getting, Pari Hu Main came out. And then Janam Samjha Karo, Yaro Dosti, and all the songs. And so I became a pop music producer. So as a guitar player, a jingle composer, two, as a pop music producer, three. And then I said, let's form a band and let's go and play live. I told Hari that. And he said, what a great idea. Why don't you go and play live? Just be a band. Why do you just make an album? We become a band.
Right.
And we called ourselves Colonial Cousins. And then they didn't release the album. ये क्या है समझ में नहीं आता है अच्छा गजल पॉप है क्या कृष्णा अच्छा भजन पॉप अरे बाबा listen to the music is different and from 1994 to 1996 they didn't release it because क्या है ये they couldn't understand. So again, from nothing and nobody releasing to then getting your Billboard Awards in Las Vegas and your MTV Unplugged in London. You're the only Indian artist till today to have performed in the original one. You get your VMA Awards in Radio City Hall in New York, right to the other extreme. So four avatars I've already lived: guitar player, jingle composer, pop music producer, and band. Kalon Nikal. चार हो गया. Now the fifth one is the singer performer, which most people haven't seen because they've always never seen you as a performer. So a lot of people, I've been performing a lot of corporate shows, um, and they're all corporate parties. Matlab, we want to party, we want to dance, we want. I'm performing in Istanbul, in Munich, in Beijing, in New York, in I mean all over the place. Maldives, besides India, and these are corporate clients, including last night. Corporate clients who are calling me and saying, make us dance. We want to get up and forget the world. And I do that. So nobody sees me as a performer except the people who are in the corporate space. The public is not seeing me. They see me as a nice musician.
Right.
I can be quite a monster. So that performer, singer. So the singer performer, that's the new avatar in me. So What's happened is for years I've done music for everybody. I've done music for KK, for Alicia Chennai, for everybody, Asha Ji, whatever. But I've done no music for Leslie Lewis. Colonial Cousins is not Leslie Lewis, and Colonial Cousins is not Hari. It's both of us, and we do a certain brand of music that we do. But Leslie Lewis on his own, like a Hariharan on his own, does ghazals also. You know what I'm saying? So he does his own thing. So what do I do as my own thing? Nobody knows. So now the singer performer is going to come in front of you, and strangely, I've been performing all over the world, like I just told you, and as a singer, I've just sung in a Hollywood film. I'm the only Indian to sing in a Hollywood film in English.
And which
You know,
one is that?
it's a song called Entourage, and it's a movie called Trap City. It's and Omar Gooding is rapping and I'm singing, and ATG has produced the music. So I was called only as a singer, not as a composer, not as a producer. And I'm saying, "Well, in all of India, you have everyone. Why do you choose me?" So the singer is now. I did sing in Bollywood before, like
Mhm.
like probably the only millennium song in Bollywood, the only one that Bollywood has is my song, my composition, and me singing that Dekho 2000 Zamana Aa Gaya with Amir Khan. That's my song in Bollywood. But now I'm not singing Bollywood per se. I've already moved to Hollywood. So as a singer, you're already being showcased. As a performer, I'm already being showcased within the corporate world. Now you just have to come out to the public. So to do all that, I started, like I said, I did nothing for Leslie Lewis.
Mhm.
Now I'm 61 going on 21. So I'm probably younger than you.
Right.
I'm
So,
21. So what's
yes,
happened
you
is,
are.
so I've started my career all over again, my fifth avatar. And with that, I've started my new music called Global Hindi. I gave it my own. In the 90s, whatever I was doing became a genre called indie pop. So today, I don't know what the genre is going to become, but I've just started it. I call it Global Hindi. And the beautiful part is I've just completed 1 year of Global Hindi, which means one brand new song every month with a video. I don't know which independent artist has done that till today, but I've
Right.
done it. It's fabulous. It's fantastic. And just as a bonus, I came out with a song called Dholare,
Yes.
which is this full on celebratory track. But it won't stop here. This is just the beginning. This is just the first year of Global Hindi. So Leslie Lewis, the performer singer, is now being creating his own music called Global
Right.
Hindi, and that's why uh, this one having completed 1 year makes me feel like really special because there is no independent artist out there who's got a single new single every month,
Right.
and in various genres. They're not all same type, same style.
So, did you come up with the idea of global Hindi during the lockdown?
No, it's been on my head for some time. Unfortunately, I don't think you can copyright that because global you can't copyright, Hindi you can't copyright. So global Hindi is not copyrightable. That's why I said maybe one day it'll get another name. Otherwise, I would have fixed global Hindi. But I think it's so beautiful because I want to talk to the Hindi audience. All my life, I sang in English,
Mhm.
and the Hindi audience heard two lines and then they stopped listening because they can't understand what you're saying in English. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. तो ऐसे भाई तुमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है बट हैव यू हर्ड जिमी हेंड्रिक्स नहीं आपने माइकल जैक्सन सुना जिमी हेंड्रिक्स नहीं सुना अच्छा आपने जेम्स ब्राउन सुना है नहीं so I said let me introduce you to James Brown let me introduce you to so many other artists including a John Denver including a Simon and Garfunkel but not their songs we don't want to take their songs उनका एक अंदाज है उनका जो स्टाइल है in that style I want to create new songs that the Hindi people are now hearing and saying, "Sir, मैंने ऐसा गाना हिंदी में कभी सुना नहीं." And the English guys are saying, "Hey, isn't this blues? This is our blues. This is the kind of blues that we love, but it's in Hindi. But it doesn't sound like Bollywood yet. It doesn't sound like that Bollywood we generally don't like. We like to listen to English. So when I did Choda Tune, it got playlisted in Brazil. Hindi song playlist is a metal playlist in Brazil on Spotify. Spotify world playlist in it. iTunes India all genre, which means Bollywood, Sufi, Ghazal, India all genre, top 200. My song came 59. I said, how did that happen? I don't have any record label promoting it. I don't have a management. No PR. Nothing. I just put the song out. I didn't even say, here's a song coming tomorrow. I just drop it, and it's already got there. And if you hear it, छोड़ा तूने कैसे मुझे इस हाल में छोड़ा तूने कैसे मुझे इस हाल में ओ ये दिल कह रहा है फंस गया तेरी जाल में it's as blues as it gets. It's as international and global as it gets, but it's in Hindi.
Right. So you're bringing Hindi songs or Hindi language to a global platform.
I think you put it right. I'm taking Hindi language to a global. I'm not bringing global platform to Hindi music. I'm just taking Hindi to a global platform.
Right.
You're
And
right.
the global audience is recognizing your work as well.
Absolutely, because I was in America just before the lockdown, 2019. I was performing there, concert, and a lot of Indian women have married American men. So one such family where the husband is looking at me saying, "Why don't you move here, man?" He said, "My children will love this music because they know what I listen to, English music, and they like what their mom listens to. But this is like their kind of music, which is they know both the sides." And I'm saying, "Yeah,
Right.
but maybe I'll move one day. Who knows? When India kicks me out."
Not gonna happen.
Well, I hope not.
We don't want to lose such a talent, no? So my
Thank
next
you.
question was gonna be about your retirement plans, but I've got my hint already that you have no
I've just
plans to
started.
retire.
I just
Yes.
yeah. I just started reinventing Leslie Lewis, the artist, the singer performer. That's going to take him a full 10 years. I
Right.
mean, easily 5 years. But after that, you got, I mean, if you're saying I'm 61 now, by the time I'm 65, 66, I'll be doing my thing. It won't be 1 year of global Hindi, it'll be 5 years of global Hindi. So we'll be doing something at that point. And then from there on, the sky is your limit. Because I'm coming from movies, background scores, songs, albums, live production, live performances, unplugged performances, fusion, Indian fusion, global fusion. I've done all kinds. I started Coke Studio. I mean, I do all that stuff. So I have so much I want to do, and I want Indians to see it. I say, you've been stuck in this box, and nothing wrong with that. But your vision is not being opened up. So can I open it for you? Just put me in the driver's seat, and I'll take you around. But for me to get into
Right.
the driver's seat, I need to talk to you, and then your viewers might probably start following me, and then slowly they'll put you in the driver's seat. And can you show us more? Can you show us
Right.
more around the city? That kind of thing.
And
But they got to trust me.
yes, people questioned you, stereotyped you at every point of life, right? But you never gave up, and you kept on challenging yourself. Is that correct?
Yeah, because there is so much more in music that you've not heard. I am right now a fan of Leslie Lewis. I'm sorry, I'm not egoistic. I'm not, I some couple of years back I was at Shankar's birthday, 50th birthday, sometime back, at his farmhouse in Karjat. And I drove back to Bombay. I think I played 35 Leslie Lewis songs back to back, which you've never heard. And there were so many still left. And I had finished only 35 by the time I got home. And I'm only listening to my own music, but I'm saying it's amazing stuff in Hindi because I love this music. And मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी में ना आप तो you have never heard anything like this, and it sounds amazing. So really funky songs, really sad songs, deep songs. I mean, there are songs for everybody. The record industry doesn't make music for people over 26 years old because after that they have to buy their apartment, they got to get married, they got responsibilities. कि अभी तुम्हारा पैसा वहां डाल दो, बिल्डर के पास दे दो, अभी तो कॉन्सर्ट पे तो नहीं आओगे, पैसा नहीं है, जमा कर रहे हो, सेव कर रहे हो. But as long as you're up to 26, you're just crazy to you want to have a great time with your friends and keep spending your money. So they're making music for that. But I'm saying those same kids grow up to become mom and dad and then grandparents. They still love music. Can you make music for all of them? Because they were the ones who supported you right at the beginning. In the 90s, they supported me. Why will I not support them today when the world is not making music for them? I'm saying, I'm here. No, I'll make for you. Not Purana Gana. Like, where have you heard a simple Hindi song that feels like a Simon and Garfunkel? But what did you love about Simon and Garfunkel? There's some harmony, something, some feel about it. But अगर वो एक हिंदी अलग सा हिंदी गाना हो जिसमें words भी are very interesting, just like a Paul Simon song, and say the lyrics are making so much sense, and it's so simple, but I get it, and I never heard anything like this in Hindi. And those are the beautiful songs that make me keep hearing those. I am my own fan. And I'm hoping कि जल्द से जल्द I can get these songs to you. Unfortunately, for whatever it is, nobody listens to a song by itself anymore. They want some video, some visual with it. So I've managed this whole year. I've done a video for every song, but sometimes I feel the videos don't help the song. It kind of takes it in a different direction. Uh, like I'll give you a great example, but it's cool. There are a lot of people who love the video. So a song called Tu Kahe, which I released last year in December. A lot of kids loved it because it's a mad funny video. But if you hear the music, it's not funny. It's just nice Caribbean kind of easy laid back feel to listen to. But when you watch the video, you don't listen. So it's a bit difficult sometimes to get your music across. But I'm hoping in a while people will start listening to the music more and not have to rely so much on the videos. And the videos will
Sure.
be there. Hmm.
And there are several audio streaming platforms like
Yes.
Spotify and
So all JioSaavn, Amazon, they're all good. They're all helping already. They already have it there. But right now I'm just putting one song at a time, saying कि ठीक है आप देख भी लो पहले देख लो फिर सुन लो देख लो फिर at some point when they start liking your music they will just be wanting to सुनाओ they don't want to see they say can you play any new songs come out or then your audio songs will come out like albums or like EP,
right.
3 song EPs, 2 songs, or maybe just singles, whatever they are.
You always bring originality to the table. Every piece you create is unique. But when you see the culture of remixes and auto tuning trending nowadays, how do you feel about that?
I think it's cool in the sense that if you are allowed to use a computer, if you're allowed to use a calculator in your class to
Mhm.
calculate your maths problem, then what's wrong with using auto tune? आपको गणित तो आता नहीं है आप कैलकुलेटर लेके कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो तो फिर उसको सुर आता नहीं तो उसको उसका कैलकुलेटर लेके उसका सुर कैलकुलेट कर रहा है पर गाता कैसा है उसका एंड रिजल्ट क्या आता है आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है क्या नहीं ये नंबर काउंट करके उसको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है क्या सो आई एम नॉट जजमेंटल ऑन द आर्ट आई एम नोबडी टू जज द आर्ट हु एम आई एंड आई एम सेइंग यू डेयर नॉट जज मी because who are you to judge me in the same way who am I to judge them I'm saying if auto tune works for you and it's making you the star that you want to be or making you the singer that you want to be good for you and the ones who don't like it I have a very simple thing I'm saying unlike my days if you wanted music we really had to go and buy music and you need money to keep buying new albums new whatever it is in today's time you're getting free music on the internet you get every band in the world all the music in the world free to listen as and when from your bedroom from your bathroom from your wherever. So if you don't like something, just don't listen to it. Go listen to what you like because it's all there. Why can't you spend your time listening to what you like rather than complaining about people that you don't like? Because who don't like usko chhod do na. Better to keep your life happy by listening to what you like and not focus on what you don't like. The thing is, everybody's focusing so much on you know, having an opinion on something. And I'm saying, I'm nobody to have an opinion. Because if you're wearing this blue top and you think you look beautiful, you do look beautiful in your head. Do you really care what other people think about you? Right? Your hairstyle is like this. That's what makes you like. If you don't like it, you're going to go and change it. Right? The moment you don't like your own hairstyle, and somebody says, I want to have a really short hair. I don't like all this. I want to cut it. Or like, I really want to grow. It's your life. So if I sing like this or I use these, and these are tools of the trade, you know what I'm saying? At one time, singers had to sing with the full orchestra. whether it was Lata ji, or whether it was, the old singers, Kishore Dawar, full orchestra गाएगा साथ बजाएगा साथ साथ हम गाएंगे. Mistake हुआ, everybody has to do it again. That's what I did with Coke Studio 1. When I started Coke Studio, everybody played live, start to finish. And if you made a mistake even at the end, we go back to the beginning and start all over again. That is the old way of doing it. In the new way, multi-track has come in. So if you made a mistake, it's okay. You do your part again later on. But the music will continue. And I'm saying people have used every tool in the trade to make music. Why can't you just make music, everyone play together? No, no, but we have this ability to do more tracks and we'll add things later and we'll, add double our voices. You have the technology using it. So somebody is using auto tune, good for him. He's using it. Auto tune is just like now an old technology. So there's so much more coming out, which is only geared at make the finished product. अच्छा लगता है तो सुनो नहीं तो छोड़ो. So I find judging people and their art very difficult. I'm not want to judge anybody, frankly.
Right. So do you think it was more difficult to make your way into the industry back then, or is it difficult now?
I think it's difficult all the time because even at that time, the industry was as big and powerful for that time, run by those few people that really had the power to run that industry at that time. It has changed to today, where the industry is still as powerful. It's run by another set of people that have gained power, and they run it in their own way. It's still difficult to get in, like it was difficult then. It's difficult today. I think at some point only your work will get you in. So, but that work needs to be featured, and that's why I believe that global Hindi has a great space tomorrow to be part of Indian cinema. There are amazing songs there that can be part of film. But somebody has got to present it to the film guys and take it there. And right now, because I'm done away with any management, or I'm not at this point, I'm just keeping them a little away because they don't understand what I'm doing. Once I create myself and my new music, then you will hear it. And then say, hey, ये picture में अच्छा लग सकता है. That kind of story, this song might look, go pitch it, put it there. And once you put it there, the audience will hear it. They'll say, hey, I love this song. Then there's going to be more people wanting to hear stuff like that. So it's a bit of a process, but I think for the first year, it's been fantastic. I've managed to put a song and a video out every month, and we're still at it. And Dholare has really given that celebratory track, 1 year of global Hindi kind of. I feel I'm on the right track. Makes me feel,
Yes,
yeah.
definitely. And you're promoting Indian instruments and Indian music, folk music as well. I heard your Halo Halo.
Okay.
It promotes, yeah, it promotes the Gujarati
Yes, yes.
folk
It's
music,
all
right?
India. I don't say you're right. I'm taking India to the global platform. I'm taking Hindi to the global platform.
Right.
So whether it
And
is Gujarati, whether it is Marathi, or if you hear some of the folk stuff that I've done, I haven't released it yet. It's just amazing with some amazing young artists and stuff like that. And it's like hit value. It has this kind. Abhi suna mujhe chahiye ye gaana. It's not sun sun ke you'll grow. But there is so much folk music in India that nobody has even heard it in a modern style. They've always heard it in the typical folk way, which I started with Coke Studio and all. But I think uske aage kya?
right. And you have done it all, be it the films or music albums or jingles. But what do you find most challenging? Which industry is more challenging?
I think the challenges come up only when you're having a tough time doing something. You know, initially it was doing jingles. So it was, like I said, for me the guitar player was the challenge. I got over that. Then starting jingles became a challenge because they said he plays the guitar. मुझे नहीं लगता he can compose jingles. That was a challenge. Then I started composing jingles. I did all. Then it became a challenge to try and compose, to tell them that look, I can compose a song. So Pari Humay. Then after that it became like, hey, we can form a band and perform. Then he's a Leslie Rose गाते हैं, Hariharan is a singer. Leslie Rose, no, he's a composer. But we are a band. We are both sing. Sunny the Gama Gama, something about the way you smile. You may never know the reason why. Sunny the Gama Gama. And we are singing it. We both singing. He's a singer, I'm a singer. But you're not seeing that box. You want to put me in that composer box. So every time it's a challenge. And now getting global Hindi out there for the whole last year has been a crazy challenge. And with the lockdown and with all this It's been really difficult. You can't shoot, you can't do, all kinds of things. But somehow I've managed to do 1 year. And that is the exciting part. So the challenges are there in their own places. But I think the exciting part is getting to that point you want to get to. Then look back and say, what were the challenges? Let me see what I passed. Oh, that's a big challenge. I mean, when I started Global Hindi, I didn't think putting a song out every month was that difficult. I mean, it's okay. I got the song. Just do it. I just do it. Oh, 15 days before you have to give it for all the audio streaming platforms. You have to mix it, master it, finalize it, put it out there, shoot the video, edit the video, and make sure that it releases at the same time. How? And then as it releases, you're on the next song. So for a whole year, you're thinking nothing else but Global Hindi. Plus, you have live concerts in the middle, you have online concerts. It's like crazy. But now that I look back and say, oh, what were the challenges that got me to 1 year of Global Hindi? I said, wow, not bad, Leslie. You pretty much did it. But if I was looking at it as a challenge from the beginning, I would have had difficulty going through
You're being one man army right now.
it.
True.
Yes, I'm a two-man army, actually a four-man army. I have me, I have Kavya Jones, who's my co-vocalist and also an artist that I'm promoting as Global Hindi. So I've released her album called Aja Meri Baahon Mein. You can check it out on my YouTube page. And so she's also my co-vocalist when I perform live. So she's my like complete right hand, left hand kind of support system. And I have my two people in my office, my back end guys. So between sometimes they have to hold the lights for the shoot. That's it. I have four people, and whatever. I mean, so that's all the help I have, and each one is helping each other to get to that next spot. Kavya is a young artist at 24. She's just becoming her own self, Kavya Jones. Okay, now there's a Kavya Jones on the map. Now, what she has sung with, she's collaborated and sung with Shreya Ghoshal, with Benny there. She sung with live with Shan. She sung with Siddharth Mahadevan. She's, so slowly, she's getting herself there, but she's completely mentoring under me. She's training. So she's my first Shishya that I'm like Guru Shishya kind of thing. She's probably the only student I've ever had. That's, I can say, has learned like hell from me and will probably carry what I have further on because she knows she's there every day, like my right hand kind of thing. So that's the team. And within that team, we are that one man army.
Right. And you have accomplished so much in the last 3 decades. But what do you think is your biggest achievement so far?
I don't know because each avatar has got his own space. I definitely say Colonial Cousins is a big achievement. It's a huge achievement. All of it is, I mean, Coke Studio was a fabulous achievement. Or I did the entire music for Disney's first ever musical in India called Beauty and the Beast. And I did all the mock-ups in LA, in San Francisco, and I did the entire Philharmonic Orchestra in Prague with the Prague Philharmonic Orchestra. It's a different zone. And then when you saw that play happen over here in Bombay, it was like, wow. So that that is a great achievement by itself. And to have uh, the actual composer from New York stand next to you and say, I think this is great. I love the music.
Right.
Yeah.
And do you think that the industry forgets you once you try to explore new things or
Yeah,
you want
yeah.
to have your own way?
They want to see you like that only. एक बार वो दिख गया तो वैसे ही like Ganpati can't be in jeans. गणपति जीन्स में आप देखोगे भी नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं अरे फूल डालो ये डालो थोड़ा चूहा होना चाहिए और लड्डू होना चाहिए दैट इज गणपति बट इफ यू से गणपति is standing with jeans like that you say hey, stop making fun but I'm saying but maybe Gणपति wants to be modern. I'm not hitting any religion here. I'm just saying
Right.
that's the understanding look of a persona like that. You want to see him sitting down only all the time with that rat down and that laddus down and saying, oh, and the modak and stuff like that. But I'm saying, what if he wants to be a rock star? You're not letting him. You just want to praise him and worship him in this form. I'm saying, let him be what he wants to. You can still praise him. You can still worship him as a rock star.
And you have also been a judge of music reality shows. Did
Yeah.
you find that challenging or exciting?
it's exciting because there's new talent over there. There's raw talent that is looking for guidance and stuff like that. But yeah, all reality shows are a game show. So you got to understand that it's a game show, and it's an entertaining show. It's meant for entertaining. So it's not about looking for the best singer in whatever. That's the basic story, but it is designed to entertain you. You might think that you're finding the best singer or the biggest singer or the smallest singer, but it's an entertainment show, and that's what it is. That's why you find singers coming out of their number one and then gone. You never see them ever again. Why? Because that was to entertain you for that 1 year. And then the next entertainers will come to entertain you for the next year, next season. So it's a game show. It's called a reality show because there's a lot of reality in it, but it's still designed to entertain you.
Right. And why do you think that the winners don't are not able to make it to the Bollywood industry?
There are many factors. You'll find a lot of the singers from there, many of them already come kind of mimicking other artists, other singers from Bollywood. They already come sounding like this, sounding like that. And because reality TV is mostly 99% playing Bollywood songs, known old Bollywood songs, all these kids do well because they know these songs. They already hit songs that everyone knows, that is already playing out of Bollywood. So there is no reality show that's letting you do your own music. So there is no new songs in reality show. So if a new artist comes with a different kind of voice, they feel okay, he's not matching this Bollywood zone of music that is playing. All those songs, his voice only sounds different or her voice sounds different. So then they get voted out. But actually they might have the magic. I'll give you Arijit as an example. That's the same Arijit who got voted out, right, at some point. So you didn't see it when he was on the reality. You should have voted him number one. No? So मेरा कहना है कि it's about entertaining. It's not about the reality of the singing. The reality is of the show. Not of the reality is not of the singing. So so all these voices that are slightly different from the norm feel that they are different because they're not suiting the kind of music that the reality shows play, which is fundamentally Bollywood. So if your voice suits the Bollywood genre, then you fit in easier. And the ones who fall out generally become something independent because they have something different. And that's how they survive. But the ones who are the same type, when they finish, they are out just sounding like everybody else.
Right. And any young music composer or singer you're really fond of nowadays?
Leslie Lewis. Seriously, you check him out. Young composer, 21 years old, going to rock the house with amazing songs that you've never ever heard, all in Hindi.
I'm sure. And in my introduction, I said na ki you have made our childhood very special. You have created such a great music in the past. And I remember your song Yaro, which is very popular even today.
Yes.
It's being played in schools and colleges during farewells, and it makes people cry. So I think I need to say thank you on behalf of my whole generation for that song.
Can I sing 2 lines of it for you?
Sure, thank you. Yes.
For you and for all the fans. My guitar is not here, but Yaro dosti बड़ी हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है कोई तो हो राजदार बेगरज तेरा हो यार कोई तो हो राजदार यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you. So the audience has always supported you in everything you have done so far, and I'm really hopeful that they will support you in your singing journey as well. I'm very sure.
I'm
And
hoping.
yes, and since we are talking about yar and dost, so do you also have friends from your school and college time you're still connected with?
Yeah, I still have a friend of mine from the third standard, and we are still connected. Uh, we are so connected that sometimes we take each other for granted. कि वो है, and he knows वो है. So, but like, so I went to school in Mount Abu, and my school was in the jungle, and I lived with bears and panthers and fish and snakes, and I was in the jungle. My school was in the jungle. And just before 2019, 18, my whole class met up after 40 years. 40 years, the whole class, out of 48, I think 38 or 40 something landed up from all over the world, including our class teacher. And we all met after 40 years. And I promise you, on that very first day, we were just talking to each other like we are brothers. I mean, like there was no space. So, you know, those kind of friends you can't buy. Those close friends, you can't sit around trying to make friends. Either you have a friend or you don't have a friend. So I think Yaro Dosti really addresses that there is no life without friends.
Right.
We all need them, especially the
We
good
are.
ones.
And is there a song that makes you very emotional?
There is a song, hmm, a couple, but there's one that hits the spot every time. It's a Joni Mitchell song. It's called Both Sides Now. So you either got to hear the Neil Diamond live version of Both Sides Now, or you have to hear the Joni Mitchell, the newest orchestral version. She sung it initially with the guitar, but now she's done with the full orchestra. Oh, it's a great song. And it's amazing lyrics. She's what a fab composer, writer. And he says, I've looked at life from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's life's illusions. I recall, I really don't know life at all.
Right.
It's
And
beautiful.
when are you dropping your next song?
Soon, it's coming.
And
Dholare just put that one a little bit on a hold because there's so much happening.
mhm,
And now every 2 days I'll be dropping a new reminder of. So I've released a song really every month, right? One song every month, right? So I've just put out a song called Betabiya, and I'm saying if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. A couple of days later, you're going to find, oh, Chandrama, have you checked out Global Hindi celebrating 1 year Chandrama? Have you checked it out? Check it out. Global Hindi 1 year celebrating Tu Kahe. Global Hindi celebrating 1 year Teri Meri Zindagi. Every 2 days, there's going to be a new song coming out. So I don't know whether putting a new song this month is a good idea. I'll just be like throwing everybody off the charts, or maybe I should just put one next month. I'm not sure. Just too many songs. But this month's going to have a lot of the refresher of the whole year, all the
right.
ones you might have missed out.
And the audience is just gonna be right here waiting for your next song.
Thank you. Please, like and subscribe to my channel. And I keep saying this because there is nobody else that's going to do it but you. And yeah, if you do share my songs in your groups, I mean, that's going to be fantastic. If you can, fantastic. And when I'm saying do it only if you like the song. If you don't like the song, let it be. Or if you feel somebody else will like it, share it. But if you don't like it, it's okay. But if you like something, just share it with your friends. Like, it helps.
Right. And do you have any other message for the audience of Lehre who has been witnessing your journey since
Uh,
so many years?
I think Larry knows it better than I do that you have to listen to music with your heart, not with your mind. Everybody sees numbers today and they say, oh, 5 billion, it must be good. It was never like that in Larry in the old days. गाना हिट था या नहीं था. Today, how many, so the numbers are deciding the hit. Something, let your heart decide. Listen to it. अब गाने गाने से कुछ बातचीत होगी तो आप यू कैन लाइक द सॉन्ग. आई मीन आप नंबर देख के बोलते हैं कि गाना अच्छा है. Without listening to it, you've already presumed it's a good song because it has so many likes. I think that is misleading to a lot of consumers, a lot of the listeners. They get misled by those numbers.
Right. Thank you, sir, for this conversation.
Thank
you
you.
for taking out your time to have a chat with me.
My pleasure, and see you soon.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Bye.